hold on. Before we get into the video, I have a promotion from my friend StoopKid916. He is a Sacramento rapper, hopefully worldwide, and he wanted me to help promote his new song he's coming out with. And this is a sneak peek, and I'm going to listen to it. We're going to listen to it together. My dog is barking. I don't know why. He's usually quiet. I don't know. Yeah, let's get into it. I know, right? It's fucking. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Okay. There you go. That's the sneak peek. I mean, it's a pretty long sneak peek, but it's still a sneak peek. Okay. So if you guys like that, here's his Instagram. So go check him out and go follow him. Check out his stuff. It's pretty lit. I know him personally. He's a really good guy. So go talk to him, you know. Say what's up. Say that you came from Wise Fam, from the YouTube channel that I brought you. So, with that being said, let's get on to the video. Yo guys, what's up? What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Jacorda Wise, and today I'm back. I'm making another video because this is the last video I'm gonna make today, and tomorrow I'm gonna make some more. But I got some other videos I need to react to too. But 3 a day, that's what I'm gonna stick to. But today we got StoopKid, my boy StoopKid. He's a good friend of mine. We met over the music video that's coming out soon. We're both in the music video. I'll point him out when he's in there. We were both in there. I'll show you. But this is his. He's also a rapper and he makes music and stuff. So I wanna just shout him out basically. We're seeing this song he has out. I'm curious. The snippet that I heard is already stuck in my head. But I suggest you go and check him out. Go and like this up and share it with your friends and shit. Okay, let's go.
Hey, why do niggas be wearing pants? They be wearing shoes and shit too.
Wait, what?
They call me shirt pants. There's a nigga wearing shirts and pants. Yeah.
Nigga high as fuck.
Know I got that green whatever, be kid but ain't nobody in the game, but they know it's shit. But ain't nobody in my lane do it like I did. Ain't nobody ain't clients to the crowd, but it's like Chris Brown in the field while I run a back. Talk to him about the field when I murder that. Track what I'm doing, what I did, I'm doing that. And half these niggas thinking I ain't made a kill that. It is what it is when I'm staying. The words that I've written, my change of position. Like nobody wanted to listen, but now that I'm ill when they get him on switch. Now I'm gonna say it.
Like off the bat, off the rip, like this dude is so unique when it comes to his music. Like I haven't heard somebody like him before. Like not in this type of like I have not. Like this is so just different. You know, like this is I respect my boy because this shit is so different and just so I love it.
Nobody's dabbing to me, all these rap bitches really be shit in the bed. Like, please, oh, please, oh, please, they could dance. Cardiac, my heart's taking a press. East and Beast and lyrics at the west. King of Spear, been a better than this. White beat for these niggas trying to get up my track. Led for the demons like Jerry, my back. Bars and MCs, all these niggas whack. I swore the game that's death. Get back shit now. I run up on the niggas one deep. Husky the tone when they kiss in the creek.
Yeah.
I stand how my talk to the streets. Left me the coast, man, left for the weeks. Sex and word, nigga better touchdown. Ain't shit when I'm in the background. No left for my niggas that have been around. This all good, gotta search since my time. This sexual rating still be kicking when I stare.
Yeah.
Walking on these niggas ain't gon' be no wilders. I tell them
bye bitch, bye bitch. I tell them bye bitch, bye.
I said that the sexual rating still be kicking when I stare.
Yeah.
Walking on these niggas ain't gon' be no wilders. I tell them bye bitch,
bye. Yeah. I tell them bye bitch, bye.
All All these white girls gotta pack out. All these frat boys wanna act out.
Yeah.
Now March man, cause I brought the course. Only fuck with 10s, y'all wanna pack some fours. I got a crack for the funk and the trunk ain't shit. No, the dicks on the head when I slide. And the crew stock too, no blue. What I do, bloody bricks with the click, yeah, it's mine. Talk about who got my bad man. Yeah, bro, got some bad fans. My higher plane is a cash. It ain't no more ugly pains, only mad things. Now I think it's the night when I put down my scratch. Still never lagging, no pumps in my lap. Y'all hear the beat, nigga, I'm here to rap. We don't get it twisted, ain't nothing to clap. Young brother got a no soul. Back and forth, fucks and gloves, looking for the stove. Laying nigga very flat with the pops go. I'm just trying to get the facts down real loud. Now I've been about to look at the sugar. Never been scared, now I'm motherfucker. All I do is yes, deep feeling it spit. All I do is trash these beats from the rag. I've been feeling like 100 grand.
You just having fun. Like I can tell, like, and I can tell this is like his personality when I met him. He just has fun with this shit. You know what I mean? He's not trying to like do anything other than just enjoy what the fuck he's doing, you know? And it's fucking awesome. I love it.
Motherfucking God, and I've been super saiyan, big smells, different things that ain't nobody studying. I love what your knees, what you seen is a thing. Back to back, track to track, I run that. Couple sucker, not I move my jacket. Taking off these niggas, I ain't packed it. Run the game, these niggas still on practice. Practice saturated, still be kicking when I spell. Steady walking down these niggas, ain't gon' be no whoppers.
I tell them bye, bitch. Bye. I tell them bye, bitch. Bye. Yeah. I can feel like the vibe of like grunge with like rap, and just like it is dope. I love it. I love the uniqueness in it. Like it's so fucking unique. This is like pure shit. I tell them bye, bitch. Bye. I tell them bye, bitch. Bye. Woo.
Hey. Say the thing, yeah? The thing, yeah.
Red Shark Gang.
Yeah.
Boy.
Red Shark. Let's go. That's fire, bro. Guys, go check this dude out. Go listen to his shit. Bump his shit, please. This guy is a uniqueness that needs to be in the rap game more. Like, we need to make this thing as big as possible, because this shit is fucking awesome. Okay, help me out, fam. Hope, all y'all, Tanya, Tyrone, I need y'all to help me out. Okay. This is shit. It's serious banger, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be here tonight. I'm going to live stream. I'm going to talk about stuff, just random stuff mainly, and yeah, be here at 8 p.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time. That's when we're going to live stream. See you there.
6 million ways to mob, choose one. It's something in the water. Hey, oh.